Hi, I'm Zero Plete. I'm 14 years old. I'm from Little Me Academy, and I'm from the Cagayan de Oro City, Pueblo de Oro. My lows were definitely in the first 9 because I made 3 doubles in a row. I want to bawi that tomorrow. My highs, I mostly got my drives on the fairway, and then my second shots were on the green, but it's medyo far from the pin, but it's overall okay. My game plan for tomorrow, just hit it shot by shot and not overthink everything. Playing in South Pacific was fun. The greens are very hard, so it's very hard to putt and to pitch. But I hope I'll make bawi tomorrow since I'm getting used to it. And playing in JPGT again is, I don't know, a bit nerve-wracking. I just hope to enjoy more. And if I win, then that's a bonus.
My name is Alexis Gabriel A. Nelga and my age is 13 years old. I live in Damilag, Manilao, Portage, Bukidnon, and my home course is Del Monte Golf Club. Yung mistake ko po ngayon ay yung second shot ko at pitching ko. Kasi yung second shot ko hindi kasi pumatong ng green lahat. Yung pitching ko hindi dumidikit. Yung drive ko ngayon ay okay lang, fairway lang at putting ko. Game plan ko lang tomorrow, mag-fairway lang ako at ayusin ko yung second shot ko at mag-green lang.